Come closer. Let's taste the life and touch the sky, yeah, till it's over.
Hey everyone, and welcome to my all-night clean with me video. We have a ton of cleaning motivation in this video, and if you need laundry motivation, this one is for you because I neglected all the laundry in the house, so we have tons. I'm going to do all of Kennedy's, and I'm going to do all of me and Matt's as well.
Living above and beyond, I do, and I know that you do too.
And I know this video is an all-night clean with me, and we're starting a little bit before night, but it's because Kennedy was about to go to bed, and I just wanted to get all of her laundry quickly folded before I put her down for bed.
We paint the sky with our colors, yeah, no limit. The speed of life, we on the highway, we savage. We be running and running and running.
I did a video not too long ago. It was actually in my extreme nursery clean with me where I showed you how I fold all of Kennedy's laundry and how I roll it to fit in the drawer, and I'll link that down below for anyone that's interested in that. Now I'm just gonna throw in a quick load of laundry so that I can start washing while I make the bed. And I found the best sheets, and I'll actually link them. They have like little tags for which side is the top and which side is like the side. So it helps me when I'm making the bed, and it goes a lot quicker.
I got you. Be running and running against the storm. I do, and I know that you do too. I promise to be in with you.
And before we get too deep into this video, I just want to introduce myself for anybody that's new here. My name is Bella, and I'm the stay-at-home mom of my adorable little baby girl Kennedy, and I love all things decorating and homemaking, and I'm super new to this, and I really appreciate everybody who's here and who has been watching, even though we don't have the nicest house, and it's just been a great experience for me. Now I'm gonna dive headfirst into this mountain of laundry that I've created for myself by not keeping up with my laundry schedule, and that is 100% my fault. But if we turn, lemons into lemonade, I get to fold them here on camera and hopefully motivate you guys to not do this. I just want to quickly say how appreciative I am of everybody and them wishing us well on our engagement. I'll link our engagement vlog below. It was so magical, and to be able to share it on my channel was so special to me. And we got so many nice comments congratulating us and just wishing us well in general. And again, I really want to say that is so nice and so appreciated. We're gonna have so many wedding related videos coming up on this channel, so make sure you turn on all your notifications. And actually, the next video that's gonna go up on my channel is my wedding dress try-on vlog, and that was so special to share with all of my friends and my little sister, who actually isn't so little anymore because she graduated from 8th grade just today and she got a special math award. So big shout out to Lily. I love you so much.
Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing. Spent so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant. And everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West, I just gotta feel something. Not gonna wait till the morning, because something's gonna change my mind. I don't wanna change my mind. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life. Send my best friend an apologetic text, he says to come over. Well, the whole damn town has been waiting for the day when you would come back here.
And now that we have all of that laundry folded, it's time to put it all away, which is actually kind of cathartic watching back on this video now. So I'm just gonna put this all away where it can fit, and I have way too many clothes. I actually have to go through them again because I need to donate a lot of my nursing tops because Kennedy is almost done breastfeeding and I'm definitely not going past a year.
Chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life. And they all said I was crazy for leaving my money, but it never made me happy alone. Life is just too short to never do what you want to. What do you want to do? Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the
And even though I just got done telling you I have way too many clothes, I actually have to unload some more clothes that I got from Target. I know, try not to judge me too harshly, but these are summer clothes and these are shorts, and actually I had to get different shorts, if you catch my drift, after I had Kennedy because baby body problems. Now I'm moving into wiping all of these surfaces down, and I am always amazed at how dirty these get. I swear I wipe them off pretty regularly, and you would never guess it from the amount of dirt that is all over. And now I'm wiping down the TV in Matt and I's room, and this is the first and the last time you're gonna see me clean that TV because we just gave it to Matt's mom because we literally never turned it on and it was just taking up space. And there's a bigger and better idea for that, which is coming up in another video. And now it's time to clean up the living room, and I'm always amazed at how dirty this place gets. I'm actually working really hard to DIY some new ideas for this space, so you'll definitely have to stay tuned for that. Watch me transform this place. And this is another room where I can't believe how dusty everything gets, because I definitely keep these spaces clean because the baby's always out here and there always seems to be dirt.
To earn them, then you brought them in for free now. Darkness is defeated by the freedom that you give it freely. So I freely receive all these keys that you're seeing inside. All on your time, giving you all of my life. 'Cause you are my miracle. You open my eyes. Every day brings new life when I'm by your side. When I'm by your side.
I always use a lint roller to get Lauren's fur off of the couch, and please in the comments let me know if you know of anything better, because I always use a lint roller and then I spray it down with my Tide disinfectant. And now I'm just gonna pick up all of Kennedy's toys that have been left out like they are every day, and I just cover it up with a little blanket, and that's a little mom hack there.
I'll wait to see.
And the last room we're gonna do today is the kitchen. I'm wiping down the stove right now because it always gets kind of greasy from cooking. And I'm just gonna try to give this place a really good deep clean because it needs it really bad.
Your sunlit face feels like a handful of silk now. I'm in your warm embrace. Oh, I hope this feeling lasts till the oceans turn to glass and the world around us turns and fades to black. Together we'll hold back the sun in this moment forever young. Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun. This feeling moves me every single day.
Now I'm gonna disinfect all of my countertops, and remember, after you spray your disinfectant, you have to let it sit for 10 minutes before you spray like a multi-surface cleaner. Like, well, I use Mrs. Meyer's, but you can use anything you want. But just remember, it's super important to let it dwell, especially during cold and flu season.
Because all is well.
And if your baby is bottle fed at all, you know how much of a struggle it is to keep up on cleaning the bottles. So we're just gonna knock them all out right now, get all the bottles done, and then it'll feel so much better.
Together we'll hold back the sun in this moment forever young. Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun. When the sun goes down and the world spins round, when I lay right next to you, I can't close my eyes even though I try. The
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out.
And now it's my favorite part of cleaning the kitchen, cleaning the sink. And I do this sometimes multiple times a day just because it's so satisfying. And I use my Dawn Platinum spray and I wipe the whole sink down, and then I'll dry it with a multi-fiber cloth.
It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams. While you were chasing everything else but me, I'm starting to break out from your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes.
And now with some YouTube editing magic, I'm gonna disinfect my countertops, clean them off, and use my multi-surface spray all in the span of 2 seconds. But again, it's really important to wait that 10 minutes before you actually wipe them off.
I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. Down, 'cause the future is now. Not backing down, 'cause the future is now.
And now that I have emptied the trash and replaced the bag, I am now going to disinfect my trash can, and nobody's gonna judge me for it because we should all be doing it. Think about how many germs are on your trash can.
Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone.
I'm gonna close out this video by mopping down all the tiles in the kitchen and then by the front door. And I just want to say again how appreciative I am for everybody watching today, and we're gonna have so much more coming up, especially with the wedding. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!